Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to hard reset this device by using the system settings. Before we start, make sure that the battery level on your watch is above 50%. If it's not, make sure to charge your watch before you start, because if your battery dies during the reset, it might damage your watch. Okay. Now, let's open the settings. To do it, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, like this, and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down. Select the option called General. Here scroll down, find the option called Reset, and tap on it. Now scroll down, and here we have Reset button. Before we tap on it though, you can also back up your data if you want to by tapping on Backup Data. To do it, you need to be logged in into a Samsung account though, and you can back up the data to your Samsung cloud. Okay, now let's tap on Reset to continue, and then wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the screen with the list of languages on it, that means that the hard reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.